The vans are back. We're here in Browningstown and Sigma Homes have another semi-detached home that we're going to turn into a Sigma Homes dream home. Have you ever wondered what a semi-detached house might look like after just a few weeks of Sigma Homes being inside? Well, the one thing I can guarantee, it opens everything up. Some of the big changes that you really get to see happen to the front and to the side of this home. We're going to build on a second story extension, and when finished, this will look like one nice big house that invites you straight to the front door. It's this step down that I really love the feel of. You might ask why. This means we're now preparing to put in underfloor heating. So when we get to do the handover for this home, we're going to have beautiful warm temperature everywhere. Check out all this volume, all this space we've got for our new home. And it's right here behind us is where we've designed for our new kitchen. And to finish, we're going to have an anthracite matte door, copper hardware. We've gone for a deep black Decton to give it that monolithic feel. Underneath, we've got LED lighting, and all in all, this kitchen will look amazing. This room just off the kitchen has been allocated to our utility room. The colour choice, we've gone for a dusky pink, and to tie in with the kitchen, we've gone for dark features. And it's right here at the other side of this wall. We've got all this space for our main bathroom downstairs. The feature, we've gone for this beautiful dark look tile, and to warm it up, we've introduced this beautiful wood effect. This space to the front of the home makes the perfect guest bedroom, but it also could be used for a den for the kids and extra study area. And that's a space I think is going to be heavily used. This space is all a part of our open plan. It's where we're going to have our TV within our kitchen and our dining. And to the front of this house, you've got the room where you can get away from it all. Upstairs, now this is dramatic. This home, we've maximized all its space. We're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 double bedrooms. And where I'm standing right now, this is for the master bedroom. And it's right here in front of me. We've allocated this really special bathroom. The design features, and well done to Chantel, our interior designer, this is bespoke at its best. Siobhan and the design team have now reallocated this hallway at the top of the stairs. Guess what? They've moved it to the master bedroom and has shaped it into a walk-in wardrobe. The main bathroom for this home has been designed right here in the center, and inside we've got some beautiful finishes. Can you imagine what a start to 2025? Our handover here is the 10th of January. Something big to look forward to.